Hongda Group was established in 1983 with construction machinery manufacture as our leading industry and multi-industry development as our characteristic, carrying out the four strategies of talented personnel, advanced technology, famous brand, and good faith in an all-round way. Hongda Group has now become a large enterprise group that integrates diversified industries like construction and engineering machinery manufacture, food processing, real estate, and catering service. Through the development of over 30 years, Hongda Group has become a key enterprise in the field of construction and engineering machinery in China. We provide service for over 300,000 regular customers. Our total assets exceed US $308 million. As an excellent group that provides integrated service in construction and engineering machinery, Hongda Group has successively won honors like High-Tech Enterprise of China. Our lower cranes and concrete mixing plants have been rated as famous brand products of Shandong Province, and our brand name, Tieli Shi, has been recognized as famous trademark of China. These remarkable achievements in development are retributions of Hongda Group to our customers' great support and sincere trust. While meeting the diversified demands of our customers, we extend our value chain to more than 50 countries and regions, and provide customers with more competitive solutions and services in the field of construction and engineering machinery. We always value product quality as the life of our enterprise. We carry out perfect quality control in every particular of production to make 100% high-quality products, adhering to the principle of keeping our promise and serving our customers. Hongda Group has set up 96 service centers across China. Skilled service engineers can make response to our customers in the shortest possible time and provide customers with 24-hour, all-dimensional, timely, and quick service. Hongda Group has a complete system of independent research and development. Hongda Institute of Science and Technology has been approved as the only construction engineering technology research center in Shandong Province and a provincial enterprise technology center of Shandong Province. Entering into strategic cooperation in product development and technology upgrading with many scientific research institutions and higher learning institutions. We adopt advanced design methods like finite element analysis, three-dimensional assembly, and computer analog simulation to improve our agile manufacturing ability and satisfy customers' customized demands. We have acquired 46 national utility patents and 8 national patents of invention. Among them, our HZS 180 concrete mixing plant, 500 TM large tower crane, and 315 TM remote-controlled frequency converter tower crane have been approved as new national key products. Our luffing tower crane covers the #1 market share in South Korea. Our 48-meter and 52-meter concrete pump trucks have been listed into the National Torch Program projects of China and awarded the prize for Sci-Tech Progress in the mechanical industry of Shandong Province. Our YHZS 60 mobile concrete mixing plant has won the prize for Sci-Tech Progress in the mechanical industry of Shandong Province as well. We always keep our advantages in technology and keep our leading position in market competition. Adhering to a business philosophy of pursuing excellence, never satisfied, and advancing with the times, Hongda Group devotes to building an excellent corporate culture and fostering top-class professional talents. Hongda, your trustworthy cooperative partner. Let's march forward hand in hand to create a bright future. Just as a big road extends far, we aim to build Hongda into a century-old brand. Hongda of China. Hongda of the whole world.